What if I told you that in the next 90 seconds you can go from zero to having your very first AI agent running? In our last two videos, we broke down the logic behind consistent AI characters and then drilled into JSON prompting to make it bulletproof. If you missed those, do check them out. Okay, so you understand the concepts, but how do you actually build something with them? The biggest hurdle for many is getting an AI agent off the ground. Alright, let's get hands-on and build your first AI agent with Google ADK. First things first, you've got to have Python installed. If not, go get it done. Next, open your terminal and create a virtual environment by running the following command, so your project doesn't mess with anything else. Now, jump into that environment. Environment active? Good. Now, install the Google ADK via this command. This is your toolkit. Before we code, we need keys. Go to Google Cloud and create an account if you don't have one. Then, create a brand new project there. Once that's done, head over to Google AI Studio and generate an API key. You'll need to assign that key to your new project and connect a billing account. Don't skip this, or it won't work. Got the key? Awesome. In your project directory, create a file named .env and add this line. Now, create agent.py. This is where your agent lives. Inside, you'll define your agent's name, the AI model it uses, its instructions. This is where you'll tell it what you want it to do, like generate consistent video prompts. Once agent.py is ready, go back to your terminal, still in your virtual environment, and run ADK web. You'll see a link pop up. Click it. Boom. Your AI agent is live. You just built your first AI agent. See? Not so scary when you break it down, right? This is the foundation for our entire consistent video prompt generation system. Now, building this foundation is a crucial first step, but the real goal is to get to the creative work faster. That's where Vibelets comes in. We're building the tools to automate your creative process, so you can focus on what matters most.